Hello everyone. This video is brought to you by Newton's Group of Institutions. I am Arvind Egireddy from Department of CSE. In this video, I'll be talking about Introduction to C. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Introduction to C. C programming language is a very popular computer programming language through which users and computers can communicate. What is C? C is a powerful, general purpose and most popular computer programming language used to design the computer software and its applications. Why do we use C? Although numerous computer languages are used for writing the computer applications, the computer programming language C is the most popular language worldwide. Everything from microcontrollers to operating system is written in C since it is very flexible and versatile, allowing the maximum controls with minimum commands. Now let us see the history of C. The history and development of C is as shown in this figure. The root of all modern languages is ALGOL, which is introduced in the early 1960s. ALGOL was the first computer language to use the block structure. ALGOL gave the concept of structured programming to computer science community. In 1967, Martin Richards developed a language called BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, primarily for writing the system software. In 1970s, Ken Thompson created a language using many features of BCPL and called it as B. B was used to create early versions of Unix operating system in the Bell laboratories. C was evolved from ALGOL, BCPL and B by Dennis Rich at the Bell laboratories in 1972. The language became more popular after the publication of the book called The C Programming Language by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Rich in 1978. C uses many concepts from these languages and added the concept of data types and other powerful features. Since it was developed along with the Unix operating system, it is strongly associated with Unix. For many years, C was used mainly in academic environment, but eventually with the release of many C compilers for the commercial use, it increased its popularity. This rapid growth of C led to the development of different versions of the language that were similar but often incompatible. This posed a serious problem for system developers. In order to ensure that the C language remains standard in 1983, American National Standard Institute ANSI appointed a technical committee to define the standards for C. The committee approved a version of C in December 1989, which is known as ANSI C, which is approved by the International Standard Organization ISO in 1990. This version of C is referred to as C89. During 1990s, C++, a language entirely based on C, underwent a number of improvements and changes and became an ANSI ISO approved language in November 1997. C++ added several new features to the C to make it not only the true object-oriented language, but also a more versatile language. Although C++ and Java were evolved out of C, the Standardization Committee of C left a few features of C++ and Java is, if added to the C, would enhance the usefulness of the language. The result was the 1999 standard of C. This version is usually referred as C 1999. Who invented C? C programming language was invented in the year 1972 by Dennis Rich. He was an American computer scientist, worked at the Bell Labs as a researcher along with Ken Thompson. He was born on 9th September 1941 and lived till 12th October 2011. He is said to be the father of C. Thank you all.